Hello everyone and welcome to BISV Solutions. I am CS Anjana Mishra, working as the lead functional consultant at BISV Solutions. I specialize in synthesizing and analyzing the financial data. I have 7 years of experience in NetSuite, HFM, FCCS. BISP Solutions is a tech company providing technological solutions across the globe. We have a far-flung proficiency in end-to-end implementation and support. Today, we'll be looking at creating or assigning a new contact from a vendor record. That is when we have to assign a new contact in case if the vendor is a company. So we can actually assign a contact to that particular vendor record. So let us just start. Moving on to our NetSuite application. So this is my NetSuite application. The vendor list is already opened here. You can go to the vendor list from lists, relationships, and vendors. So this list page or this page will appear in front of you. Now, what we can do is we can just assign a contact with this particular, with any particular vendor record that we have already created into our application. Let us say this is my vendor record that I have created. Now, this is a vendor that is BISP Infonet and the type is company. No contact has been assigned with this particular vendor. So what I can do is from here, I can actually create a new contact. This window opens for me. So this is the window that actually opens. Now here I can actually provide the contact information, that is the representative who is responsible for this particular organization or this particular company. So let us provide a name to this particular any information, job title, role as in primary contact person or any other name as in whatever name if you would like to provide, the category, company that has been automatically selected because we have selected a BISP Infonet, email, phone, fax number, all of this information you can actually populate. Subsidiary, this has also automatically been populated from the company that we have selected, and over here you can create additional information like the supervisor, assistant, addressed. If shipping and billing address are different, you can have two different addresses. Marketing, any particular open air export error or something like that we would like to put over here. And all of those this information you can actually populate when you are if you want to assign a contact to a particular company or to a particular vendor that has been automatically created into this NetSuite application. And after doing this, you can actually save the contact. Now here I would not like to, so I'm just canceling it. So we've come back to our page. Similarly, you can assign any contact to any of the vendors that have been listed over here into your vendor list in order to assign or attach a contact to any of the vendors. So this was all from my side. In case of any questions, queries, or any other information related to NetSuite, you can of course get back to us at www.bisvsolutions.com. Thank you so much.